The Doogee Fire 6 emerges as a compelling option for budget-conscious consumers seeking a rugged smartphone without compromising on essential features. This device would be sold for a very affordable price. It's likely going to cost around $200. As for its release date, the device is expected to launch before the end of the month. Anyway, let's quickly explore its top features and specs. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the device is powered by the Unisoc T606 Octa-Core processor that offers adequate performance for everyday tasks, including browsing, social media, and light gaming. This is a budget rugged phone, so you shouldn't actually expect much. The device features a 6.56-inch HD+ IPS display. It also has a 90Hz refresh rate that ensures smooth scrolling and responsive touch interactions. According to its camera capabilities, the device features a dual rear camera setup, including a 50MP AI main camera coupled with an 8MP fusion camera that is expected to deliver decent image quality, especially in well-lit conditions. The phone also features a thermal sensor which adds a unique dimension, allowing users to be able to measure and capture temperatures of objects. The front-facing camera is 8MP, which is sufficient for selfies and video calls. Now this phone utilizes 6GB of RAM and it supports up to 10GB virtual RAM expansion. The phone also has 256GB of internal storage, which is further expandable via a micro SD card. The battery capacity of the device is massive. It's a 10,400 mAh battery, and it of course promises exceptional battery life, making it ideal for extended outdoor use. The device also supports 18 watts fast charging and reverse wire charging capabilities that ensures quick top-ups and the ability to charge other devices. So according to its durability and security, the device is rated IP68 and IP69K, along with military-grade standard 18H certification. This guarantees the Fire 6 resistance to water, dust, and shock, making it suitable for harsh environments. And according to security, the device features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and face unlock, which provides convenient and secure access to the device. Now, additional features includes NFC that enables contactless payments and data transfer, Bluetooth 5.2, which offers improved connectivity and range, OTG that allows you to connect external storage devices, and glove mode, which enables touchscreen operation while wearing gloves. Now, as mentioned earlier, the price is expected to be around $200, which is very nice. So if you may be looking for a very cheap rugged device, you may want to check out the Fire 6. It's not a recommendation, okay? I'm just telling you that this is a very cheap rugged phone. If you're interested, you can check it out. Anyway, what are your thoughts about the Fire 6? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.